wondered how to make stars in Adobe Photoshop? Well, wonder no more. In this quick tip tutorial, you will learn how to make stars in Photoshop quickly and easily. What you will learn in this tutorial: how to make a star in Adobe Photoshop, how to create a star effect in Adobe Photoshop, how to make star trails with a brush, how to create a shining star, and how to create a shooting star. Let's start off with how to create a star shape. In your document, go to the Polygon menu. Right-click on it and select Polygon tool, U on your keyboard, which is a pentagon. Go to the settings in the top toolbar. This will be shaped like a cog. Click on this and select the star checkbox with the radius set to 25%. Next, drag out your shape. This will give us a chunky star. Change the percentage to create a range of different star shapes. Simple. Now you've created a star shape, let's look at creating a star effect in the background. Create a new layer, Ctrl N on your keyboard, in your document and fill the layer with black. Next, go to Filter, Add Noise and set the amount to 50%, select Gaussian and check the monochromatic box, then click OK. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and set the blur radius to 1.5% and click OK. Next, we go to Levels, Ctrl L and move the arrows to the base of the curve in the input levels. Play with these sliders until you get a pleasing star field intensity. Next, set the layer blend mode to screen. For extra intensity to your stars, simply duplicate the layer. I think this makes a really impressive star effect with not too much effort. Next, let's make these cats sparkle with a star trails brush. I'm going to create a star like in the first exercise by using the Polygon tool. Here's the brush settings I used to create the star trail. In brush tip shape, I set spacing to 102%. Shape dynamics were as follows. Size jitter to 27% with control set to pen pressure. Angle jitter at 70% with the control set to pen pressure. Roundness jitter to 20% and control off. And minimum roundness to 25%. Scattering. Scatter is set to 196% on both axes. Control to pen pressure. Count jitter to 14%. Control to pen pressure. Transfer. Opacity jitter is set to 0%. Pen pressure is set to minimum 0%. Flow jitter at 0% set to pen pressure with minimum at 76%. Smoothing is set to on. Now you can save your brush by clicking the square with the plus sign in the bottom of the brush settings panel. Here's how our star trail brush looks with our settings. Now you've created a trail brush, let's make these stars shine. Draw out your stars using the star trail brush we just created and duplicate the layer. On the lower layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 8.6 pixels and click OK. Now, make a wish because we'll now look at making a shooting star brush. In the brush settings, select the default hard round pressure opacity brush and squeeze the tip shape to a narrow oval. On a new layer, which is Ctrl N on your keyboard, draw out a shooting star with the tip being more intense than the trail. Select the eraser tool, which is E on your keyboard, and using a soft brush gently paint out some of the tail. To create a meteor shower effect, hold Alt and using the Move tool, which is V on your keyboard, to duplicate each layer. Scale, move, and repeat as necessary. Optionally, to add depth, you can lower the opacity of some of the shooting stars. Now you will have learned how to make stars in Photoshop. I hope you found this quick tip useful and you can use these techniques to jazz up your artwork.